In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download View app on Android. If you love Korean dramas, Asian TV shows, and movies, View is a great place to start. I'll walk you through getting the app onto your phone, and I'll share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store. It's the app with a multicolored triangle icon. For the fastest download, make sure you've got a stable internet connection and a bit of free storage space. If your device is low on data, connecting to Wi-Fi can help the download finish faster. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar and type VU or View dramas, TV shows, and movies. Don't worry if you see several results. What matters is choosing the official one. Look for the app published by VuClip Mobile Video. You'll see the developer's name listed right under the app title. Selecting the correct developer ensures you're getting the genuine app with the latest updates and security. Once you've found the official View app, tap Install. Your phone will start downloading the files and then automatically install the app. You'll see a progress bar, and the time it takes can vary depending on your connection speed. If you're on a slower network, just let it run in the background while you do something else. Interrupting the process can slow things down. When the installation finishes, the Install button changes to Open. Tap Open to start using View right away. You can also find the new icon in your app drawer or on your home screen later, and if you return to the Play Store page, there will be an Open button there as well. With the View app up and running, you can dive into a wide selection of Korean dramas, stream Asian TV shows and movies, and, in some regions, download videos for offline viewing as a premium feature. Availability and content can vary based on where you live, so your catalog may look a little different. If you're planning to watch on the go, downloading episodes while on Wi-Fi is a smart way to save mobile data. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and opened the View app on your Android phone. If you ever need to revisit these steps, just return to the Play Store, search for View, and everything will be right there. Enjoy exploring the shows you love, and happy streaming!